Okay, you guys, I've been slacking on my bird videos because a lot is going on my personal side. On Instagram, one of my boys' videos of him playing football is going viral. So just doing lots there. But as I'm sitting there editing a video for my personal page, I hear a bird whistling up here. And I swear, I thought it was Nico because I heard, and then, and I was like, what? Oh my gosh. I looked over there. It was Noki. He's learning another one bites the dust from Nico. Look at him behind me right here. Noki,